Okay, it's a moving morning introduction in the cinema style, for which I am now famous. Well, not really. Whee! All right, final day here in Las Vegas. Was up quite late last night. I don't know why. I mean, I guess I know why. I decided to stay up late. That's why. But I was actually having some decent luck on the machines, so I just continued to play, and it got pretty late, or I think you might even say early. So I'm going to take a little jaunt down to the south end of the Strip here shortly, because I haven't really been down there at all. So I want to go and look around, maybe do some pictures, a little video down there. I kind of need to do it today. So I think I'm going to play the lazy game and get a Uber or Lyft and do it that way and make my way back. Going to see another little show this afternoon. Not sure what we're eating today, but it won't be anything fancy like it was yesterday. But in any case, more on that as it develops, and more video as something strikes my fancy. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.